It's hair oil season. We are going to make the easiest rosemary oil for your hair. Yes, I know you've been seeing on the internet rosemary hair oil, the benefits, the research and all that. Today, rosemary hair oil is no big deal that you are supposed to be confused about. It's the easiest oil you can ever make. All you need is rosemary and your oil. So in this video, let's make it. So first of all, you need a container. You can use a glass jar if you want, and then you need your carrier oil. I'm using extra virgin olive oil, as you can see me do in this video. And then you just allow it to infuse. It can infuse for days, you can infuse for weeks, you can infuse for months, depending on what you feel like. If you can do rosemary powder, it's going to be very more potent than just using the leaves like this, because the powder tends to infuse faster than the actual rosemary like that. So when you leave it in like that, then after the period of time that you want it to be infused for, let's say you're infusing it for a month, after a month you strain everything and then you just use it on your hair. There's a research that was done with rosemary, and let me just tell you how beneficial rosemary can be for the hair. So rosemary was compared to minoxidil, like this medicine, or it's called minoxidil, that is really used to grow hair. And according to the research, rosemary works as minoxidil. Like rosemary and natural hair is able to work as good as minoxidil. So yes, why don't you try something that's natural, with no chemicals, with nothing, no additives, and it is also going to work for you. Keep it in a container like you see me do in the video, and use it as long as you want. Yes, you can use it for as long as you want, whether you use it as your scalp oil or your pre-poo or hot oil treatment, any oil that you want. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Till next time, bye.